Happy New Year guys and welcome back to our channel guys. I wish you a very good 2021 and guys with that let's start our first ever unboxing video in this channel. And guys, today I am going to unbox the Samsung's 970 EVO Plus NVMe M.2 SSD. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video and I will tell you about about the specs and the price which this SSD comes at. And friends, if you like this type of content, guys, consider subscribing my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified first when my videos have been posted. And guys, don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So guys, we are at our unboxing table and guys, this is our this is our Samsung's 970 EVO Plus NVMe SSD. So guys, as you can see, it's a 500 GB SSD. And guys, as there is nothing in the front, the back side gives us some certain information like its price. As you can see, it has a 13,599 price, but I have paid only around something like 7,100 or something like. It's on Amazon guys. You can find it. I will drop a link in the description so that you can find it by yourself. And guys, here it is written the 5 years warranty in the back side. And guys, same the 970 EVO Plus and Unreal Real performance. So we will see about that. So guys, as in the bottom you are seeing some QR code and something a barcode like that, and the side same the V9 SSD 970 EVO Plus NVMe.M.2. So guys, nothing that's fancy, but guys, as you can know, it's a product of Samsung. So guys, you all know how Samsung works. They are the best manufacturing company in the whole world. Sorry, not best, the one of the best manufacturing companies of electronics around the world. You guys know how terribly good Samsung products are. So guys, without any further waste of time, let's just unbox this package. As you can see, so guys, here is our master tool. A normal scissors, nothing fancy guys. I know, yes, I know there is nothing fancy. It's just a knife and I am just using one side of that knife to just cut this out. You can see, as you can see. Oh, here, okay. Okay guys, so after a lot of time, we have finally opened our NVMe SSD package. And guys, inside of that we can, as you can find, it's the box. The actual thing is here. We don't need any of this stuff, so screw that. And guys, this is the SSD. As you can see, this is the SSD. As you can see, it comes in a box. Look at that package, bro. Guys, this is the sweetest package I have ever seen in my life. Oh, it's pop. Okay. We don't have to be amused of that. So guys, here is the actual SSD. Okay. So guys, look at that, guys. Look at that. Guys, as you can see, it's truly a work of a master, guys. Samsung, as you can see, that 970 EVO Plus written, and under that there is the NVMe M.2. It's Samsung's logo. Awesome, guys. So we will look at this later. So guys, for the time being, we are checking what comes inside this package. Not only this small SSD, but I think some paperwork should. Yes, as you can see, it's under there. But how can we open this? Oh, okay, I see. It's something like this. Okay, I think so. Okay, as you can see, it's same as the front cover. Same, nothing too special. Same, we have the guidelines book. As you can see, warranty card. Oh sorry, as you can see, there is a manual in this warranty card. So guys, that's all. But so guys, now I am going to tell you. Oh shit. Okay. So guys, now I am going to tell you what you get for spending 7,000 rupees on only a 500 rupees space. Guys, first of all, this is a NVMe SSD which is M.2, and guys, this particular SSD comes with a 3500 megabyte per second speed of read and write speed. So guys, it's a very fast, as you all know, but the special thing is, this is one of the most fastest SSD around our time right now. The second, and I think the chip which is faster than this is also Samsung's 970 EVO Plus or something, 970 Pro something. This is 970 EVO Plus, but I think it's 970 Pro. So guys, that's it for this unboxing video. Tell me how you like it. This is a messy unboxing video for us, as this is my first time experience unboxing something. So guys, forgive me if I done something wrong, guys. And guys, comment down below how you like this type of unboxing video, so I will do more, and I will try to improve my skills of unboxing these types of packages more. So guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and guys, if you like this type of content, consider subscribing my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when our videos have been posted. And guys, see you at the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and Happy New Year.